Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to visualize the charge density of titanium dioxide in rutile phase. In order to plot the charge density, you will need the cube file which can only be obtained from the quantum espresso calculation. About the tutorial for this quantum espresso calculation, maybe I will create a video in the near future. Now I already have the file. I'll open it. This is my cube file. Now, in order to make the charge density to be shown, we will click from Edit, Lattice Planes. Now we click the New button and we set the Miller indices to set the charge density position in which plane we would like it. For example, I set to be 001, 001, and also the 1D. So the charge density will position will be exactly in the 001 plane. If you set to be 2 and you cannot see the charge density. Okay, we click OK. Now this is the charge density. Now this figure is still so messy. I will erase the isosurface, bonds, and the atoms. Okay, we erase the isosurface first. Now I also want to put the label on each atom. So we click properties. Okay, we atoms. We set it to names of elements. Why? So if you set it to name of elements, when you put the atom label, there will be no more number. Yeah, this method is different from the first video. You can check it again later. First video. Click OK. Now I will delete the bond. Last thing to be erased is the atoms. Before that, I will show you the atom label first. Look, there is no more number, right? I will erase the label, which label is not on the 001 plane. Okay, now finish. We are finished. Now we are already finished. No more label except in the 001 plane. The last thing to be erased is the atom. Okay, finally, now the figure is very clear. Okay, that's all for the today's video. See you later.